Okay. Now the topic is nested tables. Compared to row spans and column span, it is very easy. The reason is just you need to understand one particular problem. What is that? Is okay, somebody is something who having a problem to understand my conversation. Just ask me in Telugu. Okay, because actually she is the that is the reason just I'm continuing the session in English. Okay. See, for example, there is assume this is your table. And every row you have the 3 columns, right? In the last, for example, you created the table like this. In the last column, suddenly you want to add some more 2 columns. That means here the total count will be the 5. What you can do with this? You created everywhere something with the 3 tables. What you are going to do? What is the solution? This is my test for you. Okay. This is the test for you. What you are going to do? Just tell me. My question is already one table is created with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. In the each row, you have the 3 columns. But your requirement ultimately came last. The requirement came as you can add some more TDs. You can add some more TDs to add the extra data. Of course, you created. So rest of the rows will be get disturbed or not? Because what is the rule in the table? In every row, column count will be the equal. Why are you making confusion? For example, you divided this as a 2, right? Column 1, column 1. Here also column 1, column 1. You can add a column span equal to 2, column span equal to 2, column span equal to 2, column span equal to 2. Even here also column span equal to 2, column span equal to 2, column span equal to 2, column span. You need to do this or not? అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? ఇది చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? For example, 1, here the column count will be the 2, here column count will be the 2. Total 5 is came, right? So 5. So the problem is to adjust one column, one row, you need to realign, reassign, restructure the entire rows in the table. Okay. If you are going to construct one home, okay, so this is the home and some kitchen is there or something here some bedroom is there, here is another bedroom is there, and so this is one room. If you want to construct one room in the sense here, so you need to adjust lot more things. If the door will be here, you need to shift it here, and door will be there, and you need to make another space, and you need to move like this. So entire home structure to be realigned. For example, there is an apartment. There is an apartment. If you are going to do anything here, it is not disturbing the another flat. That kind of structure we need to think. That is nothing but nested tables. That is nothing about nested tables. Okay. So solution is, I'm going to do this. The solution is, for example, assume this. This is the header part. This is the banner part. And this is some text. And this is some cards are there. Product cards are there. Another, it is a text. Another, about us page is there. And finally, footer is there. I don't know in the header how many columns are going to come. I don't know in the banner one will be enough. Here, for the text point of view, one column will be enough. Here I need something more columns. I don't know something 3 are coming or 4 are coming. And here 1 will be there. Here only the 2 will be there. And in the footer might be 3 you want to arrange. So completely is confusing, right? Handling with the row spans and column span definitely is a problem. So need we need to think about the nested tables. What is the nested table? On every TD, and every TD, you can add the table with those many columns with a single row. So in this particular TD, if you are going to add one table, it is not disturbing to the another TD. That is a funda. Okay, right. So this thing we need to think about code and the design. Parallelly, we can compare with the code and the design. This is an introduction for the nested table.